Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone watching this video, and welcome to Residence MG. So, this video tutorial is an easy step-by-step process of how you can partner with Residence MG by uploading your furnished property or guest house on our booking or reservation platform, thereby making it available for our clients to easily choose your guest house for their short or long stay in Cameroon. The good news is that this process is simple and completely free, so you wouldn't be asked to pay any fee whatsoever. Now, all what you need to do is use your smartphone or your computer and a smooth internet connection. So right away, we will go into the process. Step 1. Using any search engine of your choice, say Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox or Opera browser, open your search engine and in the search bar above, search for Residence MG and search for Residence MG. Without any issues, our website should display among the first 3 results. You can see here Residence MG. With the text, Residence MG is a company that helps you find decent, comfortable and suiting accommodations at affordable prices in Cameroon. You can see the results. Click on it and in a few seconds you will open our landing page, which looks like this. You can as well explore the details of the landing page, such as about us, properties, news, and the other properties. So we are using a desktop, so this illustration is a desktop view. Look at the top of your screen. You will see a red box labeled List Your Property. List your property. If you are using your smartphone, this may appear a little bit different. Instead, reach out to the 3 parallel lines at the top right corner of the page you are seeing. Reach out to the 3 parallel lines, click on it, and you will find the same red box with the information List Your Property at the bottom. It is a red box, List Your Property. Click on it and you will see this page pop up. List your property with us. We are the most trusted platform to bring you quality clients all over Cameroon and abroad. The process is free and will take you less than 23 minutes to complete. You want to click on the Get Started red button you see here. Click on Get Started and the account creation page will open. So now, after clicking on Get Started, it will take you to this page, which is the account creation page. Remember to fill all the information that is required here. You will see here name. It's supposed to be the name of your guest house, but if your guest house has no name, you can fill in your own personal name. For example, Adam James. I've used all this information to test this account. You see here, you click here and you choose the town where your guest house is located. Here we've choose Douala. You put in your email. It should be a valid email because the account creation confirmation message will be sent to it, so you should be able to access this email. Put in the numbers we are going to contact you when we have a client for you, and then create for yourself a password. It should be strong, at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and 1 special character. For example, you see here I've included the $ as a special character. Read the terms of use and agree to them. Click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you will have this message pop up. Success, sign up. Check your email and verify your account. What you need to do here right now is to enter your mailbox and you will see this confirmation message that comes from Residence MG. Please confirm your account. Open that message and you will see click here. You will see this highlighted link. Click here. Click on it and your account has been confirmed already. All what you can do directly from here is to go back to the website by clicking home. When you click on home, it will take you to this sign in page of Residence MG. Welcome back. All what you need to do here is fill in the email address you used to create your account here, and then you write the password you created here. So please make sure you did not forget your password. Now if you've forgotten your password, you can click on forget your password and they will send you information in your email to change it. So when you fill this information, you click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will take a few seconds and you will enter your Residence MG backend account. So you see on your desktop, you will see the dashboard. This is how your personal account looks like. Total properties, rented properties, vacant properties, trash properties. You see here add property, my properties, my profile, and log out. This is how the sign in page is going to look like if you are using your phone. This is the phone view. Again, you will see that you need to fill your email, you need to fill your password, and then you can now click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will equally take you to the phone view of your it will equally take you to the view on your phone. You see that in your phone, this is your account. This is your account. If you look at the top right hand, you will see an icon that is like the face of a person. The face of a person is on the top of your screen on the right. If you click on it, you will see that there is a pop-up. This page pops up. You will see dashboard, you see add your property, you see add property, you see my properties, my profile, log out. So this is how it appears on the phone. You can click here on my personal profile and change information concerning your profile. You can change your name, the name of the guest house, your phone number, or your profile picture. You can upload it here. But what we want to show you in this video is how to upload a new property. So click on add property. When you click on add property, you will see the questions begin to pop up. All you need to do is click to which question corresponds to what you want to do. You must be the owner of the property or authorized by the owner before listing a property on this site. So if you are the owner, you click here, you say I am the owner of this property. If you are the manager or authorized to upload the property, you can click here I've authorized by the owner. So you click on get started and you fill information that is particular to the property you want to upload. Is it an apartment, a duplex, a room, or a studio? Let's say in this case it's an apartment. You click on an apartment. You write the landlord's phone number here. It could be the landlord's phone number, the owner of the property, or the manager of the property. This number should be the number that when Residence MG calls, it will get to the right person who can host the client or who can take decisions on what the price should be for the property. So here you write the number. So you write a number. Once you've included the number of the manager or the landlord of the property here, you click on next. It will take you to this other page. Where is your property located? Choose from the list here the town where your property is located, for example Douala, and then you write the exact address. For example, I can say Bonamusadi, Denver. I can say Denver. You can equally be more specific to where the property is located, and then you click on next. What you need to do here is indicate the number of bedrooms that are in the property. It could be 2 bedrooms since an apartment. You put 2. Number of living rooms, it could be 1 living room, maybe 2 toilets or 3 toilets. Number of balconies, let's say there are 2 balconies. Maximum number of guests allowed here 5. And here you are going to check out the facilities that are available at this property. And then you check out under house rules, what is permitted in the house, and you give here a detailed description of the environment of the house. If there are some touristic sites or something interesting, if it's a clean quarter, it is a secure quarter, you write all that description here. Write in all that description here, and it should be something that can attract a client to stay at your property. And then you click next. When you click next, it will take you to the upload photos of your property page. What you need to do here is click here on upload, and you upload the main photo of the property. This photo is the photo that clients will see when they see your property. The first photo they will see of your property. So it's very important. Upload the best photo here, preferably a good photo of your living room. Now you can upload other photos here. This is your gallery. These other photos the client can see. We advise you to upload a minimum of 12 photos. You can upload up to 40. Upload a minimum of 12. Here you should indicate how many units you have in this property. It means if it is a skyscraper with about 50 apartments, you're supposed to write here 50 apartments. You write the number 50 here. Here we write 5, for example, as a test. You have to write the price you charge per night here and the discount price you offer if somebody is to book for 1 week and above. You write that price here, and then you submit your listing. Once you submit your listing, the Residence MG website will compress your photos and you will get this message: property listed successfully. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the listing of your property. Your property will be available to the client after verification. So if you have other properties to upload, for example, you have a studio or a single room, you can click on add property here and you upload your new property. Remember, once you have uploaded this property, it will go to the back end of Residence MG and they will send a representative to come and verify your property. It means somebody will come to your property and make sure that what you have uploaded exists. It actually exists and is of the quality that we see in the pictures. If that's not the quality, they will help you to take better pictures and upgrade your account so that your pictures appear better and exactly the way they are on the ground. Remember, this process is very simple and you can use either your laptop or your smartphone to carry out the process. As you have seen here, having an account with Residence MG is very simple, and the apartments appear very beautiful for clients to choose. In the description of this video, you will find the Residence MG website link. You can click on it and go directly to the Residence MG website and complete this process immediately after watching this video. You can equally click on the Residence MG YouTube channel where you are watching this video and watch other videos concerning Residence MG. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good night.